Syria and its neighbouring nations are facing wrath of a heavy snowstorm. Snowfall has formed a layer of snow that is thicker than a foot. The cold storm has killed 3 children and has put hundreds of people at risk. The storm has ravaged over 362 tents, forcing people to vacate their homes. Over 160 families are trapped due to the snowstorm.
يعني هو بالمخيم وضعنا كتير صعب، يعني كوني أنا رجل لأب ل4 أولاد، 2 معهم ضمور شلل دماغي كامل. وضعنا كتير مأساوي هون، يعني إذا بتستمر العاصفة 2-3 رح يكون الوضع أسوأ بكتير. هاي الخيم مثل ما انكم شايفين كلها وقعت على الأهالي.
Temperature in the region is expected to drop as low as -14 degrees. The area is experiencing the lowest temperature in 40 years. The living situation of displaced Syrians has worsened due to the storm.
يعني اليوم ألف يا ويلة لحتى نزلنا على عزاز حصلنا ربطين خبز قوت اليوم. بقى استمرت العاصفة 2-3 أو أكثر الله العليم إيش بيصير بهالعالم. حسبي الله ونعم الوكيل.
Most of the people living in Snowstorm hit Afrin and Azaz districts are displaced from various parts of the country due to a conflict between Syria and Turkey. Over 6.7 million people have been displaced internally in Syria as per United Nations refugees data.
يعني جينا هربنا من غربي لهون صوب تركيا على اساس هون منطقه حدوديه، يعني قلنا بركي حدا ان شاء الله طلع علينا، يعني طلع بالعكس ما حدا طلع لنا طاول ولا سأل عنا طاول من هالدول هي، لا من تركيا ولا غير من تركيا.
Rising poverty and decreasing aid has made the situation worse for the residents. The civil war in Syria began in 2011 with arrests of children. Since then, it has turned into the biggest humanitarian crisis that has killed over 3.5 lakh people, forcing millions of people out of their homes.